If you're trying to build a faceless content business in 2026, this course might save you weeks of trial and error. In this complete free course, I'm going to show you 13 viral niches that are currently performing across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. These are niches that are getting attention right now and have real potential to generate a decent income if executed correctly. But that's not all. In the first 2 chapters, we'll focus entirely on AI voice creation. You'll learn how to generate realistic AI voices, how to edit and improve those voices to make them sound more natural and professional, and how to clone voices to create custom voiceovers for your content workflow. Then after that, we'll move into the main part of this course, where I'll walk you through 13 trending niches for 2026 that creators are using to build faceless channels and grow across multiple platforms. In total, this course contains 15 chapters. The first 2 chapters are focused on AI voice generation, voice editing, and voice cloning. The remaining 13 chapters are dedicated to viral content niches that can help you start creating content with a clear direction instead of guessing what works. My goal with this course is simple. By the end of this video, you'll have both the tools and the niche ideas you need to make your YouTube automation journey much easier. So make sure to watch this course till the end because every chapter builds on the previous one. And if you find value in this course, consider subscribing and leave a comment telling me which niche stood out to you the most. Now, with that said, let's jump into chapter 1. Does your AI voice also sound robotic? Something like this.
Hello friends, today we'll learn to create a realistic AI voice that is also monetizable on YouTube.
In this video, we'll solve all your AI voice-related problems, whether it's monetization issues, 11 Labs, unusual activity errors, voice cloning, or editing an AI voice to make it sound realistic. So, welcome to the AI Voice Masterclass. I've divided this video into 3 powerful parts. After watching them, you'll be able to create highly realistic AI voices and even clone any voice completely for free. In part 1, we'll learn how to create a normal AI voice, which we'll later edit using free AI tools. Then in part 2, we'll edit the voice to make it sound natural, and I'll also explain how to make it monetizable. In part 3, we'll learn how to clone our own voice, which is fully monetizable, and I'll also show you how to fix 11 Labs related problems if you specifically want to use 11 Labs voices. First, go to Google and search for Google AI Studio and open it. You'll see the option for native speech generation. Click on that. Then click on Single Speaker Studio and paste your script there. On the right side, you'll see multiple voices available. Just choose your preferred one. This tool is free. After selecting your voice, click on Run, and your voice will be generated.
Hello friends, today we'll learn how to create a realistic AI voice that is also monetizable on YouTube.
Now let me show you another method for voice generation. Search for Speech Actors Text-to-Speech and open it. Scroll down and first select English as your language. Then go to the voice section and select the one named Brian. It sounds the most realistic, but we'll edit it further, so paste your script. After that, your voice will be ready and you can listen to it.
Hello friends, subscribe to AI Vision for more interesting content.
Now our voice is ready for free, so let's go to MP3 Cutter. Open the website. You'll see the interface on your screen. Upload your audio file there. It'll take less than a minute. Then you'll see an editing interface. First, go to the speed option and set the speed to 1.15x. Other software like CapCut change pitch with speed, but this one doesn't. That's why it's the best, and changing speed is also important. Now go to Equalizer, where you'll see pre-adjusted settings, but it's better to tweak it yourself. Follow the way I'm adjusting it and make similar changes. You can also make your own adjustments based on your preferences to make the voice sound realistic and studio-like. After some tweaking, I found settings that work great. I'll show them now. Note down the percentage values of each bar and apply the same to your voice. You can still customize it a bit to suit your needs. Once you're done, just download the edited voice and it will be monetizable. Now, to clone a voice, search for Minimax Audio AI. You'll see an interface like this. So first, you'll need to clone your own voice. You can clone your voice or someone else's. I'll also show you how to use 11 Labs voices here for free. First, upload your voice. Then, give your voice a unique name and select the language. I'm choosing English. Then, agree to the terms and click Convert. Hello, I am delighted to assist you with our voice services. Now, my voice is cloned. So now, I'll go to the homepage and select my cloned voice from there. Click on Use, paste your script, and press Generate. Your realistic, monetizable AI voice will be ready. Hello, friends. My name is AI Vision. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Now the voice is cloned, but if you still want to use 11 Labs voices, just upload a sample from 11 Labs here and clone it the same way. You'll then be able to use that voice unlimited times. And when it comes to monetizing AI voices, cloned voices are the best because they're essentially your own voice. If you're a content creator in 2026 and you're still recording your own voiceovers manually or paying voice artists for every video, then you're honestly slowing down your growth without realizing it. Because today I'm going to walk you through 8 insanely powerful AI voice generators that can produce realistic, human-like narration in minutes. And the crazy part is, most of them are either fully free or give you generous monthly credits. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is best for your content style, workflow, and budget. Starting with Any Voice Lab. Any Voice Lab, which is one of the easiest tools for beginners, because you usually don't even need to create an account. You simply open the site, paste your script into the text box, click on Voices, preview multiple options, and hit Convert to generate audio instantly. And what makes it stand out is its unlimited usage model, combined with surprisingly natural tone and pacing, meaning you can generate dozens of voiceovers daily without worrying about credits or restrictions, which is perfect if you run automation channels or upload frequently. Then we move to Speechma, which is popular among YouTubers because of its clarity and pronunciation accuracy, especially for educational or informational videos. And using it is very straightforward, since you paste your script, complete a quick CAPTCHA verification, choose from its voice library, click Generate, and within seconds, you get a clean, downloadable audio file that sounds polished and professional. And one thing creators appreciate about it is that even though it's simple, the voices don't sound robotic, which is usually the biggest problem with free tools. After that comes Google AI Studio, powered by Gemini Text-to-Speech, which is honestly on another level compared to most free platforms, because it uses advanced AI models trained for natural conversation flow. And to use it, you just sign in with your Google account, open the dashboard, select the text-to-speech option, choose whether you want single or multiple speakers, paste your script, and click Run. And what you'll notice immediately is the realism and pacing, breathing pauses, and tone variation, which makes it perfect for storytelling videos, cinematic narration, or even client work where audio quality needs to sound studio grade. Next is TTS Maker, which is simple but extremely flexible, because it supports multiple languages, accents, and voice styles. And the process is easy since you paste text, choose language, select voice, enter CAPTCHA, and generate audio that you can download instantly. Now, before we move to the next tools, you should know that the first 4 we covered are mostly unlimited free usage tools, but the remaining ones work on a credit system, which actually gives you higher realism because they use more advanced AI processing. Starting with Minimax Audio, which many creators consider one of the most cinematic sounding voice generators currently available. And once you sign up, you receive free monthly credits. Then you go to the text-to-speech section, pick a voice, paste your script, adjust tone or style settings, and generate narration that genuinely sounds like a professional voice actor recorded it in a studio, which is why it's especially popular for storytelling channels, motivational videos, or documentary-style content where emotion and delivery matter a lot. After that, we have Hume AI, which is designed specifically to produce expressive speech rather than flat narration, meaning its voices can sound excited, calm, serious, dramatic, or conversational, depending on what tone you choose. And to use it, you create an account, open the TTS panel, select a model version, pick a voice, paste your script, and generate audio using its monthly free credits, which are usually enough for regular creators. And what makes Hume special is its emotional intelligence system that adjusts delivery style based on sentence structure, so it feels more like real human speaking rather than AI reading text. Then comes Fish Audio, which is perfect for speed and productivity because it's designed for creators who need lots of voiceovers quickly. And its workflow is extremely efficient since you log in, paste script, choose voice model, and generate within seconds. And despite being fast, it still outputs clean audio without distortion, which makes it ideal for shorts creators, faceless channels, or anyone producing daily uploads who needs a reliable voice tool that won't slow them down. And finally, we have LoveVoice, which is basically an all-in-one balanced platform, combining ease of use with solid voice quality. And after signing up, you receive monthly credits. Go to the dashboard, paste your script, choose language, select voice, and generate narration that sounds smooth and natural. And many creators like it because it doesn't overwhelm you with complicated settings, yet still delivers professional sounding audio suitable for almost any type of content. So when you compare all 8 tools side by side, the best choice really depends on what you need. And the biggest takeaway here is that AI voice technology has evolved so much that the difference between an amateur video and a professional sounding one is often just the voice you choose, which means mastering these tools can instantly upgrade your content quality, increase retention, and make your videos sound like they were produced by a full production team, even if you're working solo. How did this channel make around $12,000 in 90 days using YouTube Shorts? The answer is actually very simple. This creator is making commentary-style community shorts. These are the kinds of videos where you take already interesting clips from Instagram or TikTok, then add your own script, your own AI voiceover, and your own editing to turn them into highly engaging shorts. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step formula behind it. Step 1 is understanding the type of videos he's making. He is not creating original filmed content. He is using short clips that already grab attention fast. Things like crazy moments, smart hacks, transformations, unusual situations, shocking scenes, or any clip that instantly makes people stop scrolling. That is the style of content you want to target. Step 2 is finding the clips. Most people think you have to scroll Instagram or TikTok for hours and manually search for content, but the easier method is to go to channels that are already posting this type of shorts, open one of their videos, and check the description. A lot of the time, they give credit to the original Instagram or TikTok handle. So all you have to do is copy that handle, search it on Instagram or TikTok, and take the original clip from there. That is one of the easiest ways to find viral-ready content in this niche. Step 3 is writing the script. Once you have the clip, your job is to explain what is happening in a short, simple, and engaging way. The easiest method is to first understand the clip, then build a short commentary around it. You can also take inspiration from an existing version, extract the transcript, and then rewrite it in your own words, so the structure stays strong, but the script becomes yours. Keep it short, clear, and curiosity-based. Step 4 is the voiceover. In the original method, the creator used 11 Labs to generate the voiceover, and you can also use 11 Labs if you want. But for now, I'm going to use Hume AI for my voiceovers. You can use any AI voice tool you like. The important part is making sure the voice sounds clean, natural, and fast enough for shorts. Your voice should feel smooth and easy to follow, not robotic or too slow. Step 5 is editing. Import the original clip into Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any editor. Mute the original sound, and place your AI voiceover on top. Then, trim the clip so only the best and most interesting part stays in the video. No extra boring footage, no wasted seconds. Step 6 is making the video more engaging with zooms and highlights. Whenever the script talks about a face, an object, a mistake, or an important moment, zoom into that part of the clip. You can also add red circles, arrows, or highlights to show the viewer exactly what they should focus on. Add small sound effects whenever a zoom, arrow, or important moment appears, because that makes the video feel sharper and more satisfying. Then add light background music underneath the voiceover, but keep it low so the voice stays clear. Add auto captions so people can still watch the video without sound. Keep them clean, easy to read, and slightly above the bottom so they don't get covered by the Shorts interface.
This man is singing directly into a giant metal horn, and his voice moves through the horn, reaches a needle, and that needle actually etches his song into a spinning wax cylinder. Once he finished, they placed that wax cylinder onto a phonograph, and what you hear after that is the pure, unedited playback coming straight off the wax itself.
And the final step is repetition. This creator is not making one random viral video. He is repeating the same formula again and again. Find a strong clip, write a short commentary, generate the AI voiceover, edit it with zooms, arrows, sound effects, and captions, and then post consistently. That is the exact formula behind this type of channel, and that is how channels like this are able to pull millions of views and turn shorts into real income. These flying human videos are blowing up on Instagram right now. Some creators are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers just from posting these cinematic AI clips. One page even pulled over 30 million views on a single video. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these flying human videos step by step, even if you've never made AI content before. First, head over to ChatGPT and search for Flying Human Generator. Open it and hit Start Chat. The GPT will instantly give you 10 different locations and scene ideas to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own custom idea, or just type more for fresh concepts. I'm going with number 7. Once the GPT finishes generating, it'll give you two things: an image prompt and a video prompt. Now copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, go to the image generation section and paste your prompt into the prompt box. For the model, choose Nano Banana 2. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it fits perfectly for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Choose how many images you want and hit generate. And look at these results. These genuinely look like scenes from a high-budget sci-fi movie. The lighting, the atmosphere, the realism, it's actually crazy how cinematic they look. Once your images are ready, pick the one you like the most and open the image to video feature. Now go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Also choose how many outputs you want. For the model, I choose VO 3.1 fast. Then hit generate. And this is where the magic happens. The slow camera movement, the cinematic drifting through the clouds, the wind reacting naturally to the clothes. It genuinely looks like a scene from a movie trailer. And the best part is, you didn't film anything. No camera, no actors, no expensive setup, just AI. And honestly, this niche still feels super early right now. Most people still have no idea how these videos are being made. So if you start now and stay consistent, there's a huge chance to grow fast with this kind of content. That's the full workflow. These cycling POV videos are absolutely blowing up right now. This Instagram page has already crossed 2.2 million followers, and their videos pull in hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself using AI. And honestly, it's way easier than you think. First, open Google and search something like GPTs section. Once you link open, search for cycling POV generator. Open it and click Start Generator. The GPT will give you 10 different cycling scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, write your own idea, or ask for more options. I'm going with number 4. Once it loads, the GPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for you. First, let's create the image. Copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, go to the image generation section and paste your prompt. Choose a realistic model like Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. And select Image Output and generate your image. And look at this, the lighting, the atmosphere, the cinematic feel. It literally looks like someone recorded this on a real bike ride. Pick the image you like the most and save it. Now, let's turn it into a video. Inside Flow AI, go to the Image to Video section. Upload your image, copy the video prompt from the GPT, and paste it into the prompt box. For the best results, use a cinematic motion model and generate a short vertical clip. After a few moments, your AI cycling POV video will be ready. And that's literally it. No camera, no drone shots, no expensive gear, just AI. This niche is still super early, which means there's a huge chance to grow fast if you start now. These AI home renovation videos are getting millions of views right now. And the craziest part is that you can create them using just a few images and simple AI tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step in the easiest way possible. First, go to Pinterest and search for luxury house exterior. Then download any high-quality image that looks clean and cinematic, because better images will give you more realistic results. Once you have your image open, Google Gemini, upload the house photo. And now use a prompt to turn this clean house into an abandoned version by describing things like broken windows, cracked walls, overgrown plants, and dark lighting. Then hit generate, and after a few seconds, you'll get a realistic abandoned house version. Try generating 2 to 3 variations if needed. Since Gemini usually gives limited free generations per day, but the quality is really good, now download the best result and upload that abandoned image again into Gemini. This time, change the prompt to create a mid-renovation stage where the house looks under construction with unfinished walls, tools around, and partial paint, so it feels like work is in progress. Generate and save this second image as well. Now comes the most important part, where we turn these images into a satisfying video. Open Flow AI, or Flow AI Arrow, and select the Frames to Video option. For the first clip set, frame 1 as the abandoned house, and frame 2 as the mid-renovation image. Then write a prompt like smooth, cinematic renovation time-lapse with realistic lighting changes and construction progress. Hit generate, and your first transformation clip will be ready. Keep in mind, Flow AI usually gives a few free credits, and each video generation may cost around 1 or 2 credits, so use them wisely wisely or upgrade for better quality and faster speed. Now create the second clip by setting frame 1 as the mid-renovation image and frame 2 as the final luxury house image. Use a prompt like seamless transformation into a modern luxury house with cinematic reveal and ultra-realistic lighting. Generate it, and now you'll have both clips ready. Finally, open any editing software like CapCut or Premiere Pro, import both clips, place them in sequence, add smooth transitions, and most importantly, use satisfying background music because that's what makes these videos go viral. And just like that, your AI home renovation transformation video is ready. If you've ever seen those viral Instagram or TikTok accounts with AI influencers that look completely real and get thousands of views, you might think they require expensive software or advanced skills. But the truth is, you can actually create your own realistic AI influencer completely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process using a few powerful tools. So by the end, you'll know how to generate the influencer image, give it motion, and turn it into a realistic video that looks like a real person created it. The first thing we need is a source model image that our AI influencer will be based on. And for that, we'll use Pinterest because it's one of the easiest places to find influencer-style images. Simply open Pinterest, search something like fashion influencer portrait, and you'll see thousands of images. Then choose a high-quality photo that clearly shows the face and body, because cleaner images usually produce better AI results. Download that image to your computer, and now we'll use that image to generate our own unique influencer using LowArt AI, which is the main tool for creating the model. When you open the LowArt AI website, you'll notice that it gives 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for testing and generating multiple influencer images without paying anything. And once you're logged in, click the plus icon, then choose Image Generator. And here you'll upload the Pinterest image you just downloaded. After that, select the model Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the best models on the platform for generating realistic human images. Then change the resolution to 2K, so the final output looks sharp and professional. And set the aspect ratio to 3:4, because that format works best for influencer-style portraits and social media posts. And now we need to write the prompt that tells the AI how to recreate the model. The prompt usually describes the lighting, camera style, realism, and overall look, so the AI understands what kind of image you want. And once everything is ready, simply click Generate, wait a few seconds, and LowArt AI will create a brand new AI influencer image based on your reference photo, but with its own unique look, which means you now have a completely original influencer that you can use for content creation. But right now it's just a static image. And the next step is where things get really interesting, because we're going to give this influencer realistic motion. To do that, we need a motion reference video. And again, Pinterest works perfectly for this because you can find short aesthetic clips or influencer reels very easily. So search something like aesthetic dance reel or model walking video, copy the video link, and download the clip to your computer using any Pinterest video downloader. Now that we have the video, we need to extract a frame from it. And for that, we'll use a simple tool called Frame Extractor. Frame Extractor, which allows us to take a single image frame from a video, so the AI understands the pose and body position. So open the Frame Extractor site, upload the video you downloaded, set the frame number to 1, click Extract, and download that frame image. This frame basically represents the body pose that our AI influencer will copy later. Now we go back again to LowArt AI, because we'll use it one more time to combine the influencer face with the pose from the video frame. So once again, click Image Generator, but this time upload 2 images, the AI influencer image we generated earlier and the frame image extracted from the video. And then write a prompt telling the AI that the person in image 2 should pose and dress like the person in image 1, meaning the body pose will come from the frame, but the face and identity will remain our influencer model. Then keep the resolution at 2K, the aspect ratio at 3:4, and click Create. And within a few seconds, you'll get a new image that perfectly combines both references. So now, the influencer has the exact pose needed to recreate the video motion. Once the image is ready, download it, because now we're going to animate it using one of the most interesting motion generation tools called KIAI, which allows images to follow the movement of a reference video. And to start, you simply sign in with your Google account, then go to API Market, scroll down until you find Kling Motion Control, and open it. Here you'll see a default image and video already loaded, but you should delete those and upload your own files instead. So first, upload the AI influencer image we created, and then upload the reference video we downloaded earlier from Pinterest. Remove the default prompt because we don't need extra instructions. Set the resolution to 720p, which is usually enough for social media videos, and then click Run. The system will start processing the files, and within a short time it will generate a video where your AI influencer copies the exact motion from the original video, which means if the reference video shows dancing or walking, your influencer will perform the same action. And you'll see how realistic the result looks. The movements are smooth and the character looks like an actual influencer recording a reel. The reason this workflow works so well is because each tool is responsible for a different part of the process. The biggest advantage is that AI influencers don't require cameras, lighting setups, or models. You can generate content anytime, so if you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to generate your own AI influencer images, animate them using motion reference videos, and start creating unique content that looks surprisingly realistic, even though it's completely AI generated. These mechanical toy transformation videos are exploding on TikTok right now. Some creators are getting millions of views from videos like these, and because most of them are over 1 minute long, they're making serious money through TikTok's creator program. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos yourself using AI. And honestly, the process is way easier than you think. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. Search for Mechanical Toy Generator and open it. Once you start the generator, it'll give you multiple viral scene ideas to choose from. You can pick one of the suggested concepts, type your own idea, or generate more until you find something interesting. I'm going with number 8. Now here's the cool part. The GPT automatically creates everything for you, including a starting image prompt, a transformed final image prompt, and even a cinematic video prompt that connects both scenes together. Now, let's generate the images. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, open the image generation section and paste your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it fits TikTok and Reels perfectly. Then generate your image. And look at this. The results look insanely realistic, almost like an actual product commercial. Pick the image you like the most and save it. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, and generate the transformed version using the same settings. This second image is what makes the transformation effect so satisfying to watch. Now, it's time to animate everything. Inside Flow AI, open the AI video generation tool. Upload your first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Then, copy the cinematic video prompt from the GPT and paste it in. Set the duration to around 10 seconds, enable audio if available, and generate your video. After a few moments, you'll get a smooth cinematic transformation clip that looks like it came from a high-budget advertisement. And that's literally it. You can repeat this process with different objects, toys, gadgets, or concepts to create endless viral content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And since this niche is still pretty new, there's a huge opportunity to grow fast right now. Mini rescue videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. Some pages in this niche have gained 164,000 followers and millions of views from these videos alone. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. First, open ChatGPT and go to the GPTs section. Search for the mini rescue generator and open it. Click Start Generator. The GPT will give you 10 different scene ideas to choose from. You can select a number, type your own idea, or ask for more options. I'm going with number 5. Once the scene is generated, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to Flow AI. In Flow AI, create a new image generation project and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate a few images. After a few moments, you'll have several image options to choose from. Here's how mine turned out. The characters look detailed, the environment feels realistic, and the scene looks like it came straight out of an animated movie. Pick your favorite image and download it. Now, let's animate it. Inside Flow AI, switch to the Image to Video section. Upload the image you just created and copy the video prompt from the GPT. paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, select how many video outputs you want, and select video model. I personally choose VO 3.1 fast for better results. Then click Generate. Flow AI will transform your image into a cinematic rescue video, complete with motion, action, and realistic effects. And that's literally it.
We got the power back on!
Within a few minutes, you've created a viral-style mini rescue video that looks like it took hours to make. If you want to create more videos, simply generate a new scene inside the GPT and repeat the process. This channel has only 87 videos, and it has already crossed 40,000 subscribers. Most of the uploads are hitting millions of views. In fact, one of the recent videos, posted just 4 days ago, already reached 14 million views. Honestly, even one video like this can get your channel monetized. And when I checked the estimated earnings, this channel is making somewhere between $2,000 to $22,000. The crazy part? Creating these videos is much easier than you think. You only need 4 simple prompts, and I've already shared all of them in the description. Let's get started. First, copy the channel analysis prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel name along with subscriber count and upload it. Then, take another screenshot showing the videos, including views, titles, and thumbnails, and upload that too. Hit enter. ChatGPT will break everything down and show you how these videos can be recreated using AI, along with a full step-by-step guide. But you don't even need to follow all of it. Next, copy the topic prompt from the PDF and paste it into ChatGPT. Choose how many ideas you want. I'll go with 5, and hit enter. It will generate a list of ideas. Just pick the one you like. Now, take the image prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, and add your selected topic along with the number of images you want. I'm choosing 5. Hit enter. Copy the first image prompt and go to Google Gemini. Select Create Image, paste the prompt, and add this at the end. Aspect ratio 9:16. Generate the image and download it. Now here's an important trick for consistency. Before generating the next image, always write, use the previous image as a reference. Then paste the next prompt. This keeps the angle, lighting, and overall look consistent across all images. Repeat this step for all 5 images. Once done, copy the video prompt from the PDF and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate transition prompts between each image. Take the first video prompt and go to Google Flow. Start a new project and upload all your images. Set the first image as the start frame and the second as the end frame. Paste the prompt, select the settings, and generate. Flow will turn it into a realistic video within seconds. Repeat the same process for all image pairs. Finally, open any video editor, import all the clips, arrange them in order, and slightly zoom in to hide the watermark if needed. Export the video. And that's it. Your satisfying dental short is ready to upload. You've seen how it works. Now it's your turn. The prompts are in the description. Hydraulic press videos are everywhere right now, and some of them are pulling in millions of views. What's crazy is, most of these videos are super simple, and you don't even need to record anything yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create these kinds of hydraulic press videos using AI step by step. Let's jump into it. So first, you need video ideas. Instead of thinking for hours, we're going to use a simple shortcut. I've put together a master prompt. You'll find it in the description. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT will instantly give you a bunch of viral style ideas, usually around 15 that are based on what's trending. After that, it'll ask you to define your theme or branding. This part is important because it gives consistency to your videos. For example, I might go with something like glowing metal cube, and let's say I want 3 ideas. Then for the brand name, I'll just type something like AI Vision. Now here's the useful part. ChatGPT will not only give you the ideas, but it will also create an image prompt and a video prompt for each one. So what you want to do is copy the image prompt first. Next, go over to Flow AI and open the Create Image option. From here, select your aspect ratio, vertical if you're making shorts, or horizontal for normal videos. Choose how many images you want, paste your prompt, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your images will be ready. Now let's turn that into an actual video. Go to the Create Video section inside Flow AI and choose Frames to Video. Set the same aspect ratio and upload your generated image as the first frame. Now, go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the video prompt it gave you earlier and paste it into Flow AI. Click Generate and give it a moment. And that's it. Your hydraulic press video is done. When you watch it, it looks surprisingly real, and it has that super satisfying effect people love. I've personally tested this method with different objects, and it works really well. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple way to create viral ASMR-style videos without relying on Google VO3. Since Google VO3 is limited to certain locations, I found an alternative that works globally. I'll walk you through every step, from crafting effective prompts, tweaking object colors, to choosing the best text-to-image model for generating stunning visuals. You'll also learn which image-to-video tool produces smooth ASMR content with sound, similar to Google's output. First, head over to ChatGPT and search for Make ASMR Images and Prompts in the GPTs section. This tool not only creates your image prompt, but also provides the corresponding image ID. Type any object, like apple, with a color such as red, and it will generate a detailed prompt ready for any text-to-image AI. Once done, it will ask if you'd like to proceed with image generation and also let you select a format, TikTok or YouTube. Choose TikTok for now, and you'll get an image. You can ask follow-ups, like switching the fruit or its color. For instance, type green apple, and it gives you a fresh prompt instantly. It even adjusts the aspect ratio if you switch from TikTok to YouTube format. However, since ChatGPT alone may not always produce the most realistic images, I recommend using Leonardo AI. Click the first link, head to the Images section, and select the Lucid Realism model under Models and Presets. For high detail results, adjust the dimensions to 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. Then, copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo to generate your visuals. I tried various combinations like yellow banana and green apple. All turned out great, even in YouTube format. Once your images are ready, download them and return to ChatGPT, where I've shared a link to Kling AI, one of the best tools for turning static visuals into dynamic ASMR videos with sound. Open Kling, go to the Image to Video section, upload your image, and describe your scene briefly. For example, cutting an apple with a static camera. Use the DeepSeek option to refine your prompt for better results. After reviewing the optimized prompt, click to generate. Always check the prompt before proceeding. Crafting a clear and specific prompt is essential, since Kling follows instructions closely. You can even use my prompt as a reference. Kling AI also adds audio to your video automatically. If you don't like the first version, just hit the AI sound button for a new one. These animal haircut videos are going absolutely viral right now. Some pages have gained hundreds of thousands of followers and are pulling in millions of views with this simple content style. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos yourself. To get started, head over to ChatGPT and open the Animal Haircut Generator GPT. Start the generator and choose an animal along with a hairstyle. I'm going with a cat and bowl cut. After a few seconds, the GPT will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt specifically designed for this type of content. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, open the image generation tool and paste your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate a few variations. Here are the results I got. The fur detail, lighting, and overall realism look incredible. Pick your favorite image and save it. Next, copy the second image prompt from the GPT and generate another image using the same settings. This second image will act as the final look for the transformation. And honestly, a cat with a bowl cut looks like it just got rejected from a 90s boy band audition. Now let's turn these images into a video. In Flow AI, open the Image to Video feature. Upload your first image as the starting frame and your second image as the ending frame. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt generated by the GPT. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, keep the aspect ratio at 9:16, and generate the video. Within a few minutes, you'll have a smooth transformation video showing the animal getting its new haircut. That's literally all there is to it. Once your video is ready, upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and repeat the process with different animals and hairstyles. The Chinese have once again launched a tool that's going to shake the internet, and honestly, I'm not even surprised anymore, because previously they stunned everyone with DeepSeek, which turned out to be better than ChatGPT. Now they've made another big move, a 100% free and unlimited text-to-video AI generator that works so well it makes Runway ML, Pabs, Hailu AI, and Kling AI look like overpriced toys. The video you're watching right now was made using the secret AI tool, which can turn any text or image into professional quality videos without any limits. And it's completely free for commercial use. It even includes bonus features like AI image generation, talking avatars, 3D models, and animations that would normally cost hundreds of dollars. While other AI tools charge $50 to $100 per month for just basic text to video, this Chinese tool gives you everything for free because it's open source. If you do YouTube automation or any kind of content creation, you simply can't miss this, because once it becomes popular, everyone will be using it. The name of the tool is Tencent Huan. And before you start using it, it's important to understand how it works, because it's a little tricky. Go to the website and click the login button. Create a new account with your email address. Or if you have trouble entering your email, here's a simple trick so you don't need to use your real email or face any issues. Just open a new tab, search for temp mail, and copy an email address from there. Then paste it into Tencent Huan. When the site asks for a verification code, go back to temp mail and you'll see the code has arrived. Copy it, paste it into Tencent Huan, and you're in. This method works every time, no matter how often you use it. And while you're here, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're aiming for 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Back to the main topic. At first, everything will appear in Chinese. Don't panic. Just right-click anywhere and select Translate to English. On the left sidebar, you'll find the Visual Generation section, which includes all the creative tools, AI image generation, 3D models, lip-sync avatars, and text-to-video or image-to-video. The text-to-image feature isn't even public yet, but it can generate free images in real time, just like premium tools that usually cost $25 per month. The image-to-video option lets you animate any static image. Simply upload your image, enable prompt enhancement, click Generate, and in 5 to 10 minutes, your animation will be ready. You can create unlimited videos for free. If you're thinking about starting YouTube automation or making faceless videos, this tool will be extremely helpful. You're not going to believe this? There's a guy on YouTube and Instagram getting millions of views just by destroying luxury cars. But hold on, it gets even crazier. He's not actually destroying anything. These videos, they're completely AI generated, and they're so good. They mess with your brain in the best way possible. Now imagine this, a Rolls Royce crushed by a boulder, flames, debris flying everywhere, and it's all fake, but looks real enough to make you do a double take. These clips are short, punchy, totally absurd, and they're designed to hook you in the first second. You blink, boom. Scene's over, and your brain's like, wait, what did I just see? So you watch it again. That's the secret sauce. They're addictive. They're engineered for virality. But here's where it gets wild. You can recreate these exact videos using nothing but free AI tools. Yep, you heard that right. Zero budget, no fancy software, just a few copy-paste prompts and some creative fire. In this tutorial, we're going to reverse engineer those viral car destruction clips step by step. You're going to learn how to break them down, recreate the same insane visuals, and build your own viral content machine. And this method, it doesn't just work for luxury car disasters. Once you learn the formula, you can apply it to any kind of viral video, for real. Before we jump in, here's a quick look at some of the clips we'll be creating together. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up, because we're about to go full throttle into the world of AI-powered content. Step 1, let's find one of these viral masterpieces. I head over to his Instagram page and pick one of his best clips. This one right here has almost 1 million views. It's a Rolls Royce just sitting there, minding its business, when out of nowhere, a massive boulder falls from the sky and crushes it. Cinematic level destruction. Now let's get that clip. You don't need any fancy software. Just Google Instagram video downloader, click the first site that pops up, paste the Instagram link, hit download, and boom, you've got the source video ready to go. Now comes the fun part. We need 3 key moments from the video to feed into ChatGPT. First, scrub through the video and pause at the moment the boulder is just about to drop. That's shot 1. Take a quick screenshot of that frame. If you're on Windows, press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool. Click and drag to select the frame, and instead of saving it, just paste it straight into ChatGPT. ChatGPT. You don't even have to save the file. It's that easy. Next, move forward a few frames and pause again, right as the boulder smashes into the Rolls-Royce. That's our big action moment. Shot 2. Take another screenshot. Finally, pause on the aftermath. Dust, debris, total chaos. That's shot 3. Once you've got those 3 frames in ChatGPT, it's time to let the magic happen. I give ChatGPT this exact prompt. Please analyze these 3 images. Following the analysis, could you generate a highly detailed image prompt designed to precisely recreate the first image? Additionally, please provide a video prompt that would effectively animate the key elements of that same first image. And just like that, ChatGPT becomes your personal director. It spits out a beautifully detailed image prompt to rebuild that first shot, plus a video prompt to bring it to life, dust clouds, motion blur, cinematic camera sweeps, the works. You're officially holding the blueprint to a viral video scene. Now that we've got our Hollywood-level prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to turn that text into a jaw-dropping image. For that, we're using iDog, one of the easiest and most impressive AI image generators out there. You can use Pickleman if you want, but this tool is your best friend for turning text prompts into pure visual fire. Here's what I do. I take the image prompt that ChatGPT gave me, the one based on our first screenshot, and paste it right into iDog. Now, and this is important, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the perfect format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Once you've got the prompt in and the format set, go ahead and click Generate. Now you wait, but not for long. Within seconds, iDog spits out 4 insanely realistic images based on your prompt. I look through them and find the one. It's got everything. The giant boulder suspended midair, the luxury car underneath, construction workers frozen in panic, an excavator in the background. There's drama, and that's the key. This image is built to hook attention in the first second. It screams, something insane is about to happen. Yes, and that's exactly what makes people watch. Now that we've got the perfect still frame, it's time to turn it into a full-blown animation. For that, we're using Google AI Studio. This thing is insane. It's one of the most powerful video generators out right now. And guess what? It's still totally free. No watermarks, no nonsense. Let's do this. First, head over to Google AI Studio and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the sidebar and click on the tab that says Video Gen. That's where the magic happens. Click the icon and drop in the boulder-smashing Rolls-Royce image you just generated in iDog. Now go back to ChatGPT and grab that video animation prompt, the one it gave you to animate your exact scene. Copy that prompt and paste it into the text box in Google AI Studio. Before you hit generate, make sure you set the right format. If your original image is vertical, select 9:16. If it's horizontal, go with 16:9. Now take a deep breath and click Generate. This is where it gets crazy. In under a minute, Google AI Studio creates a 5 to 10 second animated version of your scene. And I'm talking camera movement, dust clouds, the boulder falling, wind blowing. It looks like a shot pulled straight from a Hollywood trailer. This is the moment you realize you're not just watching viral content anymore. You're engineering it. You can tweak, test, and remix new animations in minutes. All right, now you've recreated one of these viral car destruction videos. But the big question is, how do you keep the ideas flowing? How do you make sure you're never stuck for new content? Here's the thing, you don't have to come up with all the ideas yourself. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. So here's the move. Go back to ChatGPT and give it this exact prompt. Generate 3 more distinct concepts, each including a meticulously crafted image, prompt for initial generation, and a corresponding actionable video prompt designed for animation, maintaining the style and level of detail we established in the previous examples. Boom, just like that, ChatGPT will drop 3 new viral video ideas into your lap. These prompts will include everything, the image idea and the video animation instructions, all designed to match the same insane level of detail and drama that made your first video go viral. Now you can take these prompts and run with them. Pick one of the concepts that catches your eye. Let's say it's the first one. Take the image prompt and paste it into iDog to generate the image. Once the image pops up, pick the best one. That's your new frame. Now grab the video prompt ChatGPT provided. Head over to Google AI Studio, upload your image, paste in that video prompt, and set the format to vertical. Hit generate, and boom! In less than a minute, you've got another viral video ready to go. It's that fast. It's that easy. Now, let's talk sound effects, because a viral video needs to sound as epic as it looks. You can use any background sounds or effects you want, but if you want to get specific, and I mean really specific to the action in your video, you can generate tailor-made sound effects for each clip. Here's how. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it for a sound effect prompt that will match your video. Feed it the video prompt you've already generated. Copy that sound effect prompt. prompt. Then head over to 11 Labs, click on the sound effects tab, and paste the prompt there. It'll generate 5 custom sound effects designed perfectly for your clip. Listen to each one, pick the best fit, and download it. Then you can add that sound to your video using any video editor of your choice. Just sync the sound with the video, and you've got yourself a complete viral masterpiece. And just like that, you now have everything you need to recreate viral videos with ease using totally free AI tools. Whether it's generating insane visuals, animations, or sound effects, you're fully equipped to keep pumping out viral content. And that brings us to the end of this complete YouTube automation course. If you made it all the way here, I genuinely hope this course gave you a clear roadmap for creating content in 2026. Today, we covered 13 viral niches that are performing across all platforms. Now, the next step is simple. Don't just watch, take action. Pick one niche, choose the right tools, stay consistent, and start creating. If you found this course helpful, make sure to subscribe AI Vision. Leave a comment below telling me which niche was your favorite or which one you're planning to start. And if you want more videos on YouTube automation, AI content creation, and growing faceless channels, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.